Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share one of most popular Canva photo manipulation. I will use Instagram post portrait size here and then go to element or upload your photo, and I will use this orange slice. I will use BG remover and click it once again to erase manually. I will increase the brush size and then erase this part manually. Close it. I will place it here and reduce the size like this, and then I will add an orange. I will place it here and then center back, and then I will change the page color. Click it and choose gradient and choose circular gradient, and then I will make it 3 color. The first is white, the second also white, and the third will be orange. Now let's add a half circle frame. Okay, and then adjust the size like this, and then add a water video element. Go to BG remover to remove the background, and then I will insert it to the frame. Okay, and then double click on the frame. I will increase the size like this. Click done, and then click it and click the trim, and then type here 8. Okay, so it's only 8 seconds, and click done. Now I will duplicate this frame. I'll place right on the origin, and then add a gold red fish in action video. Remove the background, and then I will trim it to 8 seconds. Okay, and then insert it to the frame. Now let's check the video. Click play. So there was a moment that the fish crossed the line of the water. So I will move it to the top, and then I will double click on it, and I will increase the size again like this, and click done, and then send water behind the fish, and let's play again. Okay, now move the orange peel to the top. Okay, and then go to element and add a shadow like this one, drop shadow, and place it here, and duplicate, place it here. I will move the full orange to up a little and move it here, and then go to position, and then I will move it behind the orange fill and this one behind the full orange. And then you can download it as MP4 or as GIF. Okay, so this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.